Darling, maybe they'll let everyone else live.
Oh, why'd you have to get us into this?
I don't know. I promise you, if I had all this to do over again, I'd have never let you down. I love you.
I love you too, but I shouldn't have married you.
How long can lovers stand to prove they were right? Why did I fold my hand? Why choose another fight? How long would we have gone to know we shouldn't stay? I saw you walk the wire, I watched you burn away. Somehow it moved.